So you get that control, right? It doesn't seem much, but it feels much. The Gloving Academy Discord is now open to the public. Here you can share light shows and ask to lab with other glovers. We've got a great community dedicated to improving. This is the only place in gloving where you can get rewarded with free gloving gear just by being active and participating in public events happening every month. We've even got exclusive events available for Hyperstrobe members, from workshops to meeting other top-level glovers, as well as weekly educational content. We've got a growing library of resources available no matter what skill level you are, and if you would like for me to do a frame-by-frame video of your light show, you can submit your video on the Discord. This thing's only going to get bigger and better from here, so follow the link in the description to join. Yo, what is up everybody? Puppy here from Gloving Academy, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some of the drills that I do to help you gain more control within your fingers. So if you're venturing off into doing more technical things, you know, you're gonna have to learn the range of motion that your hands are capable of doing. So please follow along, and if you would like to build upon some of these drills, by all means, I highly support it. So first thing we're gonna do, first drill, super simple. We're just going to take our hands and we're going to do a digit back and forth. Okay, so this is great for beginners. So we'll do digit each finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you can't bend your pinkies, it's okay to just bend it as much as you can, because we're practicing range of movement here. We're trying to see what you are genetically capable of, okay? And so that's okay if you can't get that second, like me. So now we're gonna go back, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're gonna do 3 sets of this, okay? So that was our first set. Now we're gonna go to the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, next we're gonna go into finger splits, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pinky split, pointer split, middle, then the pointer and pinkies, okay? So pinky split, pointer split, middle, and then the 2 sides. Now, it's okay if you can't get this right off the bat. Just like me, I wasn't able to do this when I first started gloving. So work for this finger independence, okay? And then again, you're gonna do 3 sets of just that. So pinky, pointer, middle, outer. Pinky, pointer, middle, outer. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna do the independent move in one direction, meaning we're gonna go left, right, middle, out. Then right, left, middle, out, okay? Left, right, middle, out, right, left, middle, out. This one's a fun one, and you know, it might take you weeks to really build that like finger independence from your pinky, but I promise you, if you keep practicing, you're gonna get it in no time, okay? So now we're gonna go into some drills that are a little bit more advanced, okay? And so what I want you to do is you're gonna have your hands out like this, and we're gonna practice our range of motion by doing the split, but like also trying to do like a circular movement like this, so you can feel that whole curvature, right? So you're extending all the way, then you're curving all the way, but I'm looking for this box. So it's like you can close, now you're going to extend all the way to this box, and you're gonna keep doing this, okay? So you have this movement here, okay? Boom, boom. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna extend both fingers, and you're gonna create that box, okay? And then you're gonna come back, then open. You're gonna find that box. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 3, right? So your pinky's gonna be out, your pointer's gonna be out, and then you're gonna create that little rectangle. You can see that little box there, and then you're gonna do the opposite, okay? So the top 3, then the bottom 3 on each hands respectively. And then so what you can also do is kind of do this flap here. So you're practicing your flap and your control, okay? So once again, we're gonna extend pinky pointer, rotation into the box, close, then do the opposite, okay? Then the 2, then do the opposite, okay? Then the 3, 3's always messed me up a little bit, but it's okay. Opposite, then you could do the 4, okay? So, you know, you could, how you could build on this, right? You could go into this, have that, then you could build on your control in just your movement, right? Not just your dexterity. So boom. I like to just like climb it or dissect it rather. You could even dissect it to the left or right, right? And so I like to play around with that. So moving on, we're gonna go into a position just like this. And what we're gonna do now is we're going to isolate both our opposite fingers, so pointer and pinky. Now again, we're gonna test our range of motion. I'm looking for this circular movement here. Same thing with the pinkies, just like that, okay? So we're going to open, then meet at the middle. Then what we're gonna do, this one might be a little hard, guys. We're gonna close our thumb, okay? And we're gonna release back to the beginning. Now we're gonna do the opposite side. Boom, close your thumb. I really like this one. Personally, I feel it way more in my pinky here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do both two fingers again, then close, right? Then practice that circular motion out, right? Then again, opposite, then close. Thumbs up, out, close. Then we're gonna do same thing. 3, make sure to connect all 3 so they're in the perfect rows here, or columns. And then close, back, boom. Right, and then the top 3, then close. Okay, just like that. One more time, boom. This one you could do 3 sets as well. So boom, close, boom, close, the 2, close, 2, close, then the 3. 3 always messes me up. It's okay. Boom, boom. Right, and then you could practice flapping your arms like just so you get the control, and having that connection on your wrist there is really gonna test you in your range of motion. So it's like you can really start to feel it kind of like in your knuckles, or maybe not your knuckles, but like this part of your hand here. So we're gonna move on to our last drill. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one hand and you're going to hold through your fingers. You're gonna just let the pinky be exposed. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your pinky up, out, up, up, out, up. So again, I'm looking for this circular motion, okay? So up, out, you can do that 3 times. Same thing with the 2 now. You're gonna do just hold 2 fingers and you go up, side, up, side, down, up, side, down, up. And then you're gonna do the same thing with 3 now. Don't forget to do that upward motion so you get that full range of movement, okay? And same thing. You can hold your wrist at the 4, or rather your palm, so you get that control, right? It doesn't seem much, but it feels much. It feels good, guys. And so we're gonna go on the opposite hand now. So we're gonna hold again, just let the pinky up. We're gonna hold our fingers just like that. We're gonna up, side, down, up, side, down, up. Then the 2. See, I'm having trouble with my left hand now. 2, boom. Then the 3, and have it controlled, guys. Be as controlled as you possibly can. You know, you don't want your arms to be moving all over the place, because that kind of ruins the integrity of you trying to control the muscles, right? And then so just keep it controlled. Try to isolate your body parts and just have your fingers move. And that has really helped me with things, you know, if you're doing moves like this and you're doing full circular movements, right? And then so like doing these finger splits and then doing things like that where you're connecting, it really helps you with like your dexterity in all sorts. You could even do something like that, right? This is just a different angle from what we did earlier, and you know, this is really going to help with the type of tech that you do, because a lot of tech, you're utilizing a lot of digits and you're utilizing a lot of splits. So I highly recommend this video if you're getting into tech, also if you're a beginner. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope this video helps you on your gloving journey. If you're looking for whites, battery skins, or any other gloving accessories, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off. Keep grinding and keep on improving, and stick around for more Gloving Academy content. Peace. Big shout outs to all current Gloving Academy Patreon subscribers. Here they are. Thank you so much for all the support. Seriously, guys, the Patrons got weekly educational and never before seen content. So if you want to take your gloving to the next level and learn from me, I highly recommend joining the Gloving Academy Patreon.